Alright, hey YouTube, this is my second attempt at the unboxing video of the On The Run 830 markers. I had a really hard time opening the box. I just got this from All City. I couldn't get anything from like Art Primo or Bonding Science because I live in Europe. It's kind of, shipping costs a lot and stuff. So here it is. On the Run graphic twin markers. Really nice box. It's like an imitation of leather. It's got a nice handle. It's pretty heavy. Let's open this up. Lots and lots of different colors. You got black. You got all different shades of colors. You got reds and pinks, yellows, blues, greens, a bit of purple. So yeah, this was my unboxing video, and I might do a little marker test after. So see you, remember to comment the video.